Alright, so you got a classic car or truck and you want a little bit more light output from your headlights, your turn signals, your brake lights, your parking lights, but you don't want to ruin that classic period correct style on that classic car or truck that you got. Well, when it comes to headlights, obviously it's a no-brainer. It's the Holley RetroBright modern classic headlights with their textured front lenses. These things produce a ton of extra light output for your classic car or truck up front, but if you want to do the same in your turn signals or your brake lights and you want to get the modern benefits of an LED-based setup without ruining the period correct styling of your vehicle or compromising the fit and function, Holley now has a set of RetroBright LED bulbs. Now, these RetroBright LED bulbs are available in three sizes: a T10, an 1156, and an 1157, which are the single intensity and dual intensity versions of those bulbs. Now, that's going to cover basically every different size that you would find on a classic car or truck, so you will be covered here. These bulbs come in 4 different colors. Now, they have a more modern pure white and a warmer classic white, just like the headlights. And they also come in an amber or red for your turn signals or brake lights. So why would you choose these bulbs from Holley? Well, philosophically speaking, just like the headlights, these things really don't look that much different than stock, but they're LED based and therefore they are brighter and they're going to last virtually forever. In addition to that, because they're based in a traditional glass capsule, just like your stock incandescent bulbs, you're not going to run into any fitment issues as you would with some of those more modern bulbs that have these giant towers of LED chips all over the front of them. These things are identically sized to the original bulbs, so that's important when it comes to a lot of these older housings, these brake lights and these taillights, because you really don't have that much space in there, and a lot of those newer bulbs won't even fit in your old headlights or taillights. And last but not least, Holley understands that if you put modern LED bulbs into a classic car or truck, you're going to run into hyper flashing if you're just going to rely on that old thermal flasher relay. It's not going to work. And therefore, they have engineered a thermal flasher relay that is compatible with modern LED bulbs. Completely plug and play, just swap out the old one, put in the new one. It's relatively inexpensive, and that's going to make sure that any of the bulbs that you upgrade that function as turn signals are not going to hyper flash on that classic car. So guys, if you're looking for the full LED package for your classic car or truck and you're going to go with the Holley RetroBright headlights and you want to round everything out from front to back with full LED, the RetroBright LED bulbs are the way to go. Check us out at the retrofitsource.com. Just put in your year, make, and model on the homepage and find out what we've got in store for your classic car or truck. See you later.